Introduce Luna, a cheerful girl with a passion for music. She loves playing her flute and dreams of creating beautiful melodies. One day, Luna finds an old, ornate music box in her grandmother's attic. When she opens it, a magical tune fills the air and colorful sparkles surround her. As the music plays, a portal opens, and Luna is transported to a vibrant world where everything is made of music and sound. Luna meets Melody, a friendly fairy who explains that the music box can bring harmony to their world, but it needs Luna's help to find the lost musical notes. Melody gives Luna her first clue, leading her to the Forest of Echoes, where the first lost note is hidden among the singing trees. After finding the first note, Luna and Melody are joined by a group of dancing fireflies that guide them to the next location with their glowing lights. In the Forest of Echoes, Luna must sing a special song to awaken the trees, who will reveal the location of the first musical note. They arrive at the Mountain of Rhythms, where Luna must tap her feet to the beat of the mountain to uncover the second lost note. A sudden storm disrupts their journey. Luna and Melody must create a symphony together to calm the storm and continue their quest. They dive into the ocean of melodies, where Luna must swim with dolphins and listen to the waves to find the third lost note hidden in a coral reef. With 2 notes found, Luna faces the final challenge, a musical riddle from the wise owl who guards the lost note. Luna uses her flute to play a beautiful melody that answers the riddle, earning the lost musical note and the owl's blessing. With all the notes collected, Luna and Melody return to the magical music box. Together, they play a harmonious tune that restores balance to the musical world. Luna returns home, inspired by her adventure. She continues to create beautiful music, sharing her melodies with friends and family, spreading joy everywhere. End of the video.